morning. I'm over Lady Walk Nature Reserve at the moment. I've already been out this morning. I've been round Lee Marston Lakes, but not a lot was going on. I don't know if that was because I had the dog with me and he's a big German Shepherd and running around like a nutter. I don't know if he was just scaring all the birds off, but not a lot going on. I did manage to get a good couple of shots of him though. Apart from that, I think all I got was a wren. So the weather's kind of brightened up a little bit, so I thought, do you know what, I'm going to pop over Ramsor. And the reason I wanted to come over is I wanted to see if the cuckoo was back over here. Now I went out yesterday over Middleton Lakes and he was there, so I'm hoping that he's back over here because it's closer to my house and it's a bit more compact, so I think you stand a bit more of a chance of seeing the cuckoo here if you like parked your arse down in one position and waited. Because what I've normally done is chased him around the lakes, but I've been told that if you actually sit and wait, it kind of does loops. So whether I'm not going to sit there and wait for it today, but it'd be nice just to know it's here, and then when the weather is better, bring my sandwiches and sit down and wait. So let's go and have a look what's going on. It's a bit later than what I normally get here. It's about 10:30. Now you know me, I'm normally home by now. But as I said, the weather's quite nice, so let's go and have a look. So I haven't even got through the gate and I've bumped into two people I know and they've told me the cuckoo's here, which is nice. But I haven't heard it yet. But I'm going to get lucky and get a real good shot of that cuckoo today. I can feel it. Still haven't heard that cuckoo yet. That's actually my favourite hide, rudd hide. I don't know what it is. I think it's quiet, not a lot of people go in there, so I really like it. Well, I'm in my favourite hide, and this is normally where you see the kingfisher, but I haven't been lucky here in a long time. It's kind of hit and miss here. There's either things going on or nothing. I mainly get nothing. Here to my right, I'll show you in a minute, there's like San Martin boxes. So this box you can see in front of you is for the San Martins, and it's been there for years and I've never seen anything go in it. But apparently they've started using it now because they put some like fake San Martins on top. I was kind of expecting to see the San Martin's flying in and out now, but no, nothing. Well, that's new. Be nice if something actually started to use it. What? The cuckoo's here? Don't believe you. I haven't heard it. Now I do believe them, but I haven't heard it. Lately I've found myself being a bit obsessed with tree creepers. Well, trying to find tree creepers. Very rare I see them. Now I would have said that they're rare, but they're not. Apparently they're quite common. It's just that you don't see them because they're well camouflaged and they're always in the trees and, you know, towards the top of the trees. But yeah, like I've become a bit obsessed with trying to find them and get some shots of some tree creepers, and no, I just can't see them. Well, not even one cook, let alone a new. There's a San Martin flying around here. I'm trying to get some shots of it because it's coming quite close, and it doesn't seem as erratic as they normally are. It's kind of just going up and down. But it's just the one. It'd be better if there's a couple of them. Normally up the top there's quite a lot of them, but I don't want to kind of go up the top and there's none up there when I could have shot this one. But it just keeps coming and going. Does anyone else think the same as me with regards to bird photography, that you've got to come out either first thing in the morning or kind of around 4 or 5 o'clock-ish? I think after 11 o'clock it just goes dead, absolutely dead. I can't complain. I had an alright day yesterday really at Middleton Lakes. I managed to get a couple of decent photos. My favourites being the herons. Now I don't normally particularly like the heron shots because I kind of think they look false. But these ones turned out quite nice. Well, I like them anyway. But no doubt you'd have seen them if you watched my video last week. If you haven't, go and watch my video from last week. Well, I've come down to where the San Martins normally are, and there's not one. So a bit gutted about that. Just a little bit. Well, it really does look like I'm going home with no photos again. Nothing really this morning, and nothing now. This last hide is my kind of last hope. Yeah, it's definitely one of them days where it's rubbish. Always say I never know the names of the hides, so I thought I'd do it so I can kind of remember them myself. Bitten hide, that's the hide that's normally okay, but it's just well, you've just seen in there, it's just full of gulls. I kid you not, I've just been walking up this little path here and I looked to the left and something was coming towards my face, and I even ducked out the way because I thought something was going to hit me in the face. And I spun around and followed it to see what it was, and it went over this side, and as I watched it go over, it was a kingfisher. The kingfisher nearly hit me in the face, but I never got a shot. I haven't seen anything. It's been terrible, and I am going home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my camera away now, because I think I have missed a couple of shots where there's been like a little wren or something on a bush, and I've put my tripod down, which I'm carrying that camera on, and it's flew off. Now if I had my hands free, I could have just picked it up and maybe got the shot. So yeah, I'm putting that away. This might not even make a video because you can't make a photography video without photos. So I've been told. If that's it, which I really do think that is going to be it, because I haven't took a photo yet. Thanks for watching. Completely nothing.